Okay, here's a quick recap of today's lesson on the color wheel worksheet, just in case you may have missed it or you need to rewind and replay. Of course, your first slide in the Google Classroom assignment has your color wheel fact sheet, which is going to give you all the answers that you might need to know, along with that same color wheel that we have been looking at over the past couple days. So when you click on your worksheet here, of course, there's some things that are clickable that you can just go ahead and either type your answer in or just simply use the bucket to fill in the colors. Of course, we remember our primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. And then you're going to go ahead and use the shape tool, which is right up here, circle in the square, to fill in the different circles for the primary colors. So I can use my bucket. Go ahead and use red. And remember, we can use Control D to duplicate our shapes so we don't have to spend a lot of time recreating them. And then you can use the bucket to change your color. So, of course, I'm going to make this one yellow. And this one over here is going to be blue. Secondary colors are when you mix two primary colors together. There were purple, orange, and green. Same idea, use your bucket fill to fill in those spots. And then you're going to use the shape tool to fill in the squares. Very simple, very self-explanatory, not too difficult at all. And then you can go ahead and use that bucket to fill in that shape and just twist and turn it to fit in over the top of your color wheel. Of course, use Control D to duplicate those shapes so you don't have to work so hard. We always try to make our life a little bit easier. And this one would, of course, be green, and this one over here would be my orange. Now, the difficult one can be the tertiary colors. So the first thing you're going to do is remember that a tertiary color or a third colors are made with a primary and a secondary. So if I'm trying to make magenta right here, I'm going to first say, all right, well, I need to make at least 3 color formulas. So I need to make magenta, I need red, and I need purple. So that means I need another red and a blue, and that's going to make my magenta. So I'm going to go ahead and pick my magenta. Now, don't forget, if you can't find the color you see here, just go ahead down to custom, move your slider around to where you think you like your magenta color or whatever color you're making, and then hit OK, and it would fill it in. Of course, you use that shape tool to, I need a triangle, not a square. Use that triangle and bucket fill it with whatever color you're choosing to use as that color, and twist and turn it and put it right up in there. And you would continue with the rest of the tertiary colors for the other triangles. Don't forget, you need to have 2 more tertiary color formulas. Complementary colors, you click there and type your response, and then right here in the boxes you're going to create some squares to put your complementary color pairs. I'll give you one. We said was red and green yesterday. So, of course, red, and duplicate that square and make it green. Of course, you're going to have to think of 2 more. Type your response for analogous. Give me an analogous color set. Give me some hot colors. Give me some cold colors. And then type your response for tint and shade. And that's pretty much it for this color wheel. So as soon as you're all done filling absolutely everything in on this color wheel, you can hit submit. Don't forget, each section is worth 25 points to you. So if you don't complete a section, it's going to, of course, take a big chunk off of your project grade. This is not due until Monday. So there you go. That's how you finish up this color wheel.